Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday and I am about to train. I just had my pre-workout. So yeah, I'm ready to train. But one thing that I have to tell you guys is that yesterday I came home a little late and I was not able to eat dinner around my usual dinner time. So I ate dinner a little late. So the food has not been digested fully. So I still have my internal food inside of my stomach. It's not been digested fully yet. So this morning I weighed myself in and I weighed a little heavier than usual because of course my food was not digested fully. So besides that, nothing else. Oh, actually, I do feel a little tired today because I was super busy yesterday. So I was like outside, like I don't know, like the whole time, like yesterday. So I was outside most of the time yesterday. So I was walking around a lot. So I'm super tired. And I slept like 8 hours and like 15-20 minutes, something like that. So I think I had good sleep. I didn't wake up in the middle of the night. I just woke up at like 5 a.m. to take a piss and that was it. So I think the sleep quality was actually really good. I'm not like sleep deprived or anything like that, but like I'm actually a little tired because of my activity level yesterday. I was like walking a lot. So it is around 10 a.m. today. I'm just gonna start working out right now, start warming up, get my sets in, and I'm not sure how the training is gonna go today because I do feel a little tired from yesterday's activity, but I'm just gonna go give it a try and still give my best attempt, best hard working effort. So without any further ado, let's get right into the training. So here we go.
Wipe away my tears, so sincere. Turn gray skies to blue. You won't ever change your ways, doing what you do. Well, you can keep on talking, talking.
Alright guys, so that was my training for today. Today I was not able to push as hard as I can, but I try to do as many volume work as I can. So that means like more time under tension so that I can bring my strength back. Because I do feel like I've lost some strength ever since I got sick. So yeah, to get to my prime, I need my volume back, first thing. And then from there I can maybe do some clean form work and all that. But the very first thing that I should be focusing on right now is the volume work. I did some, I did some strap planche as well today. And also I try to do long volume work with front lever as well. My CB planche is a little off today. Yeah, it's really difficult because yeah, I'm a little tired today. Yeah, so like I said, I'm super tired today because I was active yesterday. So my body is not weakened. So that's why I was not able to really engage my lower body in today's session. So yeah, so I feel like if I cannot engage my lower body, like my feet, and if I cannot like point my toes out, I feel some kind of disconnection with my upper body and my lower body. So I feel like my upper body and my lower body is like playing differently. So yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, so that is why I wasn't able to do some clean form stuff. So I mean, that's alright, because right now I just got back from being sick, and yesterday I was like super busy. I was out for the most of the time, and I was walking a lot. So yeah, so I think I don't think I'll be as active as yesterday from now on. I don't have any plans like that, so I can now focus a little more on my training and recovery. Besides my training and recovery, I have some other things to do. So yeah, I'm still busy as hell, but that cannot be an excuse. So and one thing that I've noticed is that if you don't have anything else to do outside of training and recovering and just chilling out, like if your like life consists of like just training, recovery, eating, and something like that, like nothing else that's not like related to calisthenics, you can recover better, you can train better, you can perform better because you don't have any other stress outside of training. So that's why I think athletes like typically just like focus on their trainings, maybe a little bit of coaching and stuff like that, and just like they just chill throughout the day. Yeah, so for them, they have a much better environment to progress and stuff. But for normal students and a guy trying to find a job like me, I have other things to do outside of training. I have to find a job, I have to study. There's just like so many things going on outside of my training. So stress from there, plus the stress from training itself. So that means I just have to recover from two factors that my stress is coming from. So my recovery is gonna take longer. So yeah, so my performance is gonna drop if I cannot recover well. So if you guys are a student, or if you guys are working, and if you guys are also training like me, like calisthenics skills, weightlifting, street lifting, calisthenics endurance, basics or whatever, much respect to you guys because you have other things to do than just training itself. So yeah, if you guys are like that, I respect you guys, man. Like you guys are just like me. So anyways, thank you guys all for watching. Let's hope to have a decent training session on Saturday. So we'll find it out on Saturday. So I'll see you guys on Saturday.